tried to save me, but I boarded that train. Across on my rear view, rust on my soul. Still chasing that thunder where the black wheels roll. I don't run with angels, I don't ride for fame. I'm a hard-luck woman with a hellhound name. I'm on that crazy train, thunder in my veins. A rebel with a six-string and whiskey stains. I ain't looking back, let the devil steer. You can hear that howl when the smoke rolls near. So raise your glass and curse the rain. Still riding that crazy train. I got bones in my closet, scars in my ink. I dance with the reaper and pour another drink. Ozzy on the jukebox, boots on the bar. I ain't headed to heaven. I ain't no lady, ain't no saint. I'm the one and on the wall they paint. Red lipstick, black tattoo, southern drawl, and nothing to lose. I'm on that crazy train. No brakes, no chains. Screaming down the track with these whiskey stains. Midnight howler, outlaw queen. Riding through fire with a steel-belted scream. From back road bars to a bullet of flame. Still riding that crazy train.